everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. The tutorial I'm going to bring you today is one I am excited about because it's using colors that I've never combined before. And I just kind of went with it, and I was inspired by the holiday season. So if you guys can see, I have cranberry, I have green, I have gold. These are the colors that I think of when I think of Christmas and this time of the year, basically. And one thing to point out, this cranberry color, it's actually called cranberry, it's by m.a.c. It looks amazing on brown eyes. My eyes are light brown and it's making them stand out a lot. So all my brown eyed beauties out there, check out for this look. And of course, all my lovely women with all the gorgeous unique eye colors, you guys can obviously get away with this as well. But I just wanted to point that out. So I am using a new camera. You guys let me know if you like the quality of it better. The lighting is different with this camera. It's picking up lighting differently. So we'll see how this turns out, and I hope you guys like it, and let's get to it. I've been having it on my mind to do a tutorial for weeks, and I finally was able to push one out. Hi everyone! Hi everyone! I hope you guys are having lovelies out there, and of course, I am coming today. Why am I saying that? Don't knit. Okay, let's try this again.